Hello, my name is Shanique, and I'm a customer success analyst here at Judy Security. So today's video will discuss our Judy's Password Manager and single sign-on process. So at the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of our Judy's Password Manager and an example of our single sign-on process within our Password Manager, okay? But before we get started, please like and subscribe to Judy's YouTube channel as we continue to add new Judy's content. All right. All right. So the first thing that I want to make you all aware of is that our Judy's Password Manager program is enabled through your browsers. Okay. So it's going to be through the Chrome browser and also our Edge. All right. So pretty much on your browser, on your Chrome, when you click here on the puzzle piece, you would have to make sure that under your manage extensions first, that you have the extension turned on, and also that you it's easy to have it pinned through the pin. And then once you pinned Judy, it will show the icon here on your browser, and it will be a green looking like icon, just like that. Okay. And the same thing with Edge. Just want to show you real quick on Edge, the same thing as well. You have to make sure that the Judy extension is turned on, and through your Edge browser, when you uncheck right here, like the eye, it unhides it, okay? And now it shows the actual Judy extension login, okay? So this is how it looks on your Edge browser, all right? Just want to just kind of give you that real quick, but let's go ahead and get started, all right? So what's going to happen is as soon as you, I'm already logged into my password manager, by the way. So, but when you click on the little green icon here, it is going to take you to the login, okay? So when you get there, you will have to log in with your work email account. All right. Make sure that you uncheck the password list and then go ahead and log in with your work password. Okay. And then upon you doing that, um, um, going the non-passwordless way, you would actually get a 2FA code, which will be sent to your work email account, which would be a 6-digit number that you would put in on top of your password. And you would be able to, it's going to get you here to where I'm at right now. Okay. Now, if you're using passwordless and you already have that set up and enabled, and we do have other videos on our password list, then you would actually use the password list to go ahead and through your mobile device, you would approve your login, and it will take you automatically here to your password manager. Okay. Upon you saving any cloud-based account, it's going to have a tile looking effect, just as what you see here as my sample account, my Google account, my LinkedIn, and my Amazon test. All right. So I want to go ahead and show you. So as you get into your password manager, obviously there's not going to be anything here. So the best thing for you to do, the first thing for you to do is go ahead and go ahead and click on create a vault, all right, which is going to be your category. You can name it and call it anything you want. Okay, so we can call it, anything. I'm calling it test it right now. Okay, so once you create your vault, I already had a couple already created already, then it's gonna show up right over here on the side here. Okay, so anytime that you save your save a cloud-based account or anything like that, it will go into your vault right here. Okay, and then once you create your vault, this is going to be the same place where you come in here. So for my example, I already have a vault created already, and I already have a test account created. So for example, you would create, it's pretty self-explanatory here. You're going to have a username that whatever you're going to use. You're going to create a password. Judy also has the ability to create a password as well for you. You put your URL. We give you the ability to either put notes and all that in there, and then you can go ahead and save it. Okay. So what I'll go ahead and do here, just kind of show you that real quick. So real quick again, after I created my vault and you click on it, you can click on new credential. And this is what I was talking about. You go right here, whether it's called Amazon as in what I had in my example, then you have your username. Judy could generate a password for you if we suggest that, so that we'll keep you secured. And or if you have a password that you prefer to use. You can create your own password. You got to have the URL. And then the category is going to be what your vault is called. So if you only have test IT, then you obviously that's the only category that it's going to go into. In my scenario, because I have more than one vault, I can put it in any one of my vaults that I choose here. Okay. And then after that, you can save it. And then once you do that, it will go into your vault. But I didn't create one right now, but I'm just wanted to show you how that looks and where that would go. Okay. Now, once you create your account or any like new credential, again, you're going to see the towel over here. So with our single sign-on process, for example, my LinkedIn account is actually set up to single sign me on to it. So when I go ahead and click on that towel process, it's going to take me to my LinkedIn account and it gets me right in there. So as you can see, I'm in my I single signed on successfully into my account directly from the password manager. That's how our single sign-on process works. Other accounts will take you to the site directly, such as my Google test account that I have here. It does take me here to the site, and I can log in and go wherever I need to go on Google. Some sites you will have to go ahead and put in your information, your username, name, and password. Okay. So that is how the single sign-on process works. I showed you how to create your credentials and how to create a vault or your category when you first log into Password Manager. The other feature that I wanted to also bring to your attention and let you know about is our importing. You can go ahead and click on the little settings icon here. And when you click on that, we have our import and export features that are available in here in our password manager. Okay, and it even has an automatic session logout that you can set, okay, for when you know how long you want your password manager or like your sessions to remain open. Okay. All right, so we'll go ahead and close that out. And if you would like any additional videos, tutorials, please feel free to create a support ticket by sending us an email to support@judysecurity.ai. Okay. And I hope that this was able to help you all out today. And once again, my name is Shanique, and I thank you all today for joining us today and hope you all have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.